Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Aetna for benefits and claims, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Aetna for benefits and claims, start by visiting the official Aetna website. Look for the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to be directed to the member sign-in page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, locate the option to register for a new account and click on it. Fill out the required personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and member ID. Create a secure password that meets the platform's requirements, then confirm the password. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to them to proceed. Once registered, return to the member sign-in page and enter your new account credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Benefits or Claims section of the member portal. To check your benefits, select the relevant option and review the information provided. For claims, locate the Claims section to view your claims history and status. If you need to submit a claim, follow the on-screen instructions to fill out the necessary details. Make sure to have any required documents ready for upload, such as receipts or invoices. Once you've completed the form, submit the claim for processing. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your claim status. If you encounter any login issues, utilize the Forgot Username or Forgot Password options to recover your account. For further assistance, contact Aetna's customer service directly via phone or their online chat. Follow these steps carefully to successfully authenticate with Aetna and manage your benefits and claims efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.